Are you dreaming of furnishing your home using elegant home decor? Are you concerned that you might never quite achieve it due to a shoestring budget? Let me save you some time. Today, I'm sharing amazing ideas to upgrade your home into a luxurious interior. Interior designers are going to hate me for revealing this to you. Stick around, because I'll cover the key elements of interior design, from color schemes to furniture choices, and I promise you will walk away with new creative ideas to elevate your home. So, whether you're a designer or an architect just seeking ideas for daily life, you're in the right place. Most people think luxury interior design is just about high-end materials with all the gold embellishments unimaginable, extravagant spending, applicable to only large homes. The shinier, the better, blah, blah, blah. No. Today, I'm debunking all these myths. Luxury interior design is not exclusively for the wealthy. It's about creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere that reflects your personality. Real luxury doesn't require a fortune that could make you eat out of tin cans for a while. Real luxury is in your lifestyle and how you wish your place to reflect this lifestyle. If you're on a budget yet still yearn for luxury living, here are 6 luxury interior design tips for an elegant home. Color schemes. Luxury interior design should emanate glitz and glamour. It doesn't mean buying the most expensive paint. It simply means choosing suitable color palettes to achieve the look. Modern luxury colors for interior design stick with classic neutrals like whites, beiges, and grays. They are timeless and create a serene backdrop. However, don't shy away from more vivid palettes like teal, red, purple, gold, or burnt orange. Deep blues, rich greens, or even jewel tones can add depth and sophistication. Trust me, you need them for that extra glam. Think about how you want your space to feel. Is it warm and inviting, or cool and modern? Grab a color wheel if you are on a tight budget and check out the hues of each color to see which ones go together well. Psst! Listen, homeowners. Invest in a design that feels luxurious without being tied to current fads. Think of your statement piece as sunrise showing off its gleaming rays and hugging all the other elements like trees, mountains, and the ocean. Accents are the pieces that bring your design to life. A statement piece is the most eye-catching component in a room, and having more than one is a recipe for disaster. I'm sure you don't want that. You want every room, furnishings, and accessories to look harmonious without competing for attention, because it's all about your statement piece. Remember, less is more. Don't overcrowd surfaces. Allow each piece to shine. Consider adding plush throw pillows, elegant rugs, and stunning artwork to make that statement. Try going for one exquisite hanging wall art rather than grabbing mundane ones whenever you can. Also, displaying colossal vertical artwork on high-ceilinged spaces keeps the upper part of the room part of the conversation. Bringing the outdoors in can instantly elevate your interior ambiance. Opt for low-maintenance plants like succulents or snake plants, because fresh flowers or potted plants add a secret, natural, and luxurious element. Choose stylish pots or planters that complement your decor. If you don't have a green thumb, opt for high-quality faux plants. They can look just as good without the maintenance. If your goal is to have an elegant home decor and you are not investing in key piece furniture, then you are wasting your time. Here's a simple hack to help you. Have furniture that is both functional and stylish. In modern luxury interior design, clean lines, simple structure, and the absence of curves and ornaments are commonplace. You will need to indulge in sleek and straightforward designs with a few combinations of geometric shapes. Here's how I secretly do it. By including unique and bold sofas with clean lines and simple structure, adding elegant coffee tables with glass tabletops, opting for marble countertops, and choosing furnishings with a glossy finish and a few metallic trimmings. The hack is to draw the viewer's eyes. Wait, don't forget about the importance of scale. Large spaces can handle bigger furniture, while smaller rooms benefit from more delicate pieces. Yes, the right furniture will enhance aesthetics and also provide comfort. Finding affordable gems in your favorite Home Depot is possible if you take note of some luxury interior design essentials. Check out the link in the description. Most people agree that lighting in a room can truly set the mood, right? Don't expect to have a cozy home when you have not managed the glare and brightness in every room. Here is the secret to perfectly light up your home. Layer your lighting with ambiance lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting. Set the overall tone of your room using ambient lighting. Dim the main overhead lamps. For accent lighting, a stunning chandelier can serve as a focal point in a modern luxury dining space, while soft wall sconces create a warm glow. Additionally, you may showcase a few hanging pendants in your living room over linear sofas or sectionals. Look here. The size of your light fixture should not be disproportionate to the size of the room. Consider dimmers to control the atmosphere, making your space feel cozy or vibrant depending on the occasion. Most people don't keenly check on textures. Interior designers are going to hate me more for sharing this, but here are 4 hacks to help you incorporate texture in your interiors. 1 is to contrast textures by mixing materials like wood, metal, and glass to add depth to your design. For instance, pairing a sleek glass coffee table with a rustic wooden console creates a beautiful contrast. 2, utilize existing architectural elements like exposed beams or brick walls to introduce texture and character to your space. 3, layer up various textures within your space to create richness. 4, incorporate decorative accents such as rugs, cushions, and art pieces to enhance the sensory experience of your room without overwhelming the design. Listen, the secret is all about layering textures to create visual curiosity. Don't forget to incorporate natural elements like plants to bring a touch of nature indoors. Most importantly, remember these go-to luxury interior design materials: silk, velvet, high-quality cotton, linen, marble, hardwood, copper, silver, and steel. These are your secrets in upraising the comfort and style of your space. Natural stone is a beautiful and durable choice in luxury home interior design. But if you're tight on budget, you can always opt for artificial materials like sintered surfaces, engineered quartz, porcelain, or cultured marble. The use of agate wallpaper is also one of the most affordable luxury interior design ideas. Acoustics. Listen, in luxury interior design, comfort goes beyond visuals. Consider strategically placing soft furnishings, such as upholstered furniture and thick curtains, to help in absorbing sound and creating a tranquil atmosphere. Deliberate on installing acoustic panels on walls or ceilings to absorb background noise and reduce echoes. Wait, the panels must be customized to match the interior decor. Have distinct zones for quiet activities and social activities. For instance, separating work areas can enhance productivity. Innovative technology. Luxury interior design is all about style, comfort, and, of course, function. And installing smart electronics bumps up your luxury points by a bunch. Installing smart technology isn't to show off, but to enjoy many benefits from convenient living. Aside from better lighting and heating, modern smart homes also reassure security. Start with smaller smart home products, which will cost you more or less $100, and work your way up. Luxury interior design must have that glam factor, that genuine shine that shows elegance. Still think you need a big budget for a luxury interior design? I disagree. Just create a harmonious environment using these 6 key takeaways. 1. Choose a cohesive color scheme that reflects your style. 2. Incorporate accents that add personality and comfort. 3. Invest in quality furniture piece to ensure nothing distracts the eyes like a sad spectacle. 4. Layer your lighting to create different moods. 5. Mix textures for visual interest and depth. 6. Pay attention to acoustics to enhance comfort. If you pull this off, your space will shine lavishly like never before. Remember to also engage a competent professional to guide you and create a luxurious space that feels uniquely yours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design tips. Share your favorite luxury design elements in the comments below. What's your must-have for a luxurious home? I hope these tips inspire you to create your own luxurious ambiance. Thanks and see you in the next video.